Hi there! Today marks the second day of my Winner's Diary, Loser's Diary. After after a quick recap of yesterday, I managed to complete 8 out of the 10 challenges I set for myself. These include a morning workout, morning meditation, studying Czech, practicing English via my video diary, memory training, math practice, abstracting from porn, and cutting out sugar. I didn't manage to schedule 30 minutes for cleaning or plan for 8 hour of sleep. But these are the tasks I allow myself to miss. After all, a full 8 hour of sleep is the true foundation for my battle to become a better version of myself. Uh, with that and in mind, I am I mean to this sex by 8 p.m. to so I can rise at 4 a.m. for work, refresh and no forced in a strict routine. Today I am thankful that I managed to complete everything I had planned. I accept math, which I'll catch on before bed like yesterday, and English, which I'm working on right now. Uh, I also want to share a few words about my mental diet. That is avoiding any kind of unnecessary content. For me, this is an incredibly effective, almost K tool that boosts my energy and intellectual potential, much like an atomic reactor. I haven't officially added it to my list of challenges yet, as I already take on enough. Plus, the thought of having to report every event, evening, even to a small audience, this is does it matter? Audience remind me to stay on track, especially when I slip up. I have also begun to notice the effect of my sugar free diet, a modest increase in salive production, and a slight sensation of hunger even after eating. But overall, everything is under control. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Let's see. Uh, and I believe that everything always work out for me because my universe take care of me even then I don't want it to. See you tomorrow.